In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn with Whop music royalties on TikTok and Instagram. If you're a creator who loves making short-form videos, this is a straightforward way to turn your creativity into income by using specific sounds that brands want to promote. First, you'll need a Whop account. Head to Whop, sign up and log in so you can access your dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Discover section. This is where all the opportunities live. Click Discover, and you'll see different programs. What you're looking for is content rewards. That's the area that lists campaigns built around music or sound usage. Browse through the campaigns and open the ones related to music. Take a moment to read the description, requirements, and payout structure. Some campaigns are open to everyone. Others may require approval. When you find a good fit, click Join or Apply. If it's application-based, be sure your profiles are set up and public so they can review your content style quickly. After you've joined, the campaign will provide you with the exact audio you need. This might be an audio file download or a direct sound link. Always use the exact sound specified. That's how the campaign tracks your usage and how you ensure you meet the terms. Now it's time to create your content on TikTok or Instagram. Stick closely to the campaign guidelines. Follow the required duration, style notes, any caption or tag instructions, and keep the sound at a clear volume in your edit. Make your video engaging and on brand for your audience, but don't stray from the rules. Compliance is key to getting paid. When you post, double check that the correct sound is attached and the video is set to public. Keep your caption clean and aligned with the brief, and avoid replacing or trimming the sound in ways the campaign disallows. Once your video is live, go back to Whop and submit your video link exactly as requested. Paste the full URL so it's easy to verify. Mid-video reminder, I've placed the official Whop website link and the download link if you prefer the app right at the top of the description to make getting started fast. From there, royalties are earned based on views, the way the sound is used, and the campaign's terms. Keep an eye on your campaign page for status updates and timing on payouts. If you follow the requirements and use the provided sound correctly, you'll set yourself up for consistent rewards. That's it. Create, post, submit, and earn. Thanks for watching.